Hello, this is Suzy the Cat 7 with a new soda called Rainforest Cola. I bought it like 3 weeks ago. I still haven't drinking it. I got it for 30 cents. So I'm guessing it's going to taste like crap. And I have a Mountain Dew can here. I tell you, I'm obsessed with Mountain Dew, like you already know. And this is my most favorite Mountain Dew, Code Red. I knew I should have made some Mountain Dew reviews, but I didn't, so I'm kind of depressed I didn't get, the mystery Mountain Dew. So I'm going to start doing some. So, Code Red, if you haven't tried, I'll just tell you. Pretty much already done with the can because I love it. Cherry awesomeness. Yeah, stuff. It's making me want to. I'm probably gonna barf this, whatever. Here we go. I'll tell you what it smells like. Alright, this smells like cherry awesomeness. Let's do this. Oh shit. This is shit. So fizzy. Smells like an overdated. Yeah, like an overdated Coca-Cola kinda. It's on my nose. Hopefully stuff doesn't taste like crap, it's actually good. So, before I tell you anything, get over here, Wolfie. Wolfie! That's one of my cats. Come on. Yeah, he wants to join. Oh, here we go. Ready, Wolfie? I'm going to try my first cola. Hey, if you drink my Code Red, I will seriously throw you off that table. Just joking. I love you, Wolfie. Just don't drink that anyways. Okay, here is to another soda that probably tastes like piss. Here we go. I haven't tried it yet. 3, 2, 1. Red. Holy shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. That actually tasted pretty bad. Oh. I forgot to tell you what it tastes like. Oh. If you've had a really bad barf, that's what it tastes like. Oh, stuff this is. This is actually worse than Moxie. I found soda that's actually worse than Moxie. Oh, this stuff is actually just like crap. At least that's like that crap it tastes like. Thank you, Code Red, for being here for me. It kind of tastes like crap, I'm not joking. Oh, if you've had a really bad barf, that's what it tastes like. This is Code Red and Rainforest Cola review. Thank you for watching. A friendly rain would be nice. That was horrible. Oh yeah, yeah, I have nothing else to say. And I'll do Meet the Real City later, and once I figure out how to do the Black Ops theater thing, I've got the hang of it. I'm gonna try to get it to you. I'm gonna try to get some good gameplays for you. So, thank you for watching. Do all the crap that everyone else says. Subscribe, friendly rating, and like. Doing that. Yeah. Thanks for watching. This is actually worse than Moxie. So basically, don't try. Alright, bye.